In this video, I'll show you how to create a newspaper effect on Canva. So this one's pretty simple. Canva does all the heavy lifting for you. What we're going to do is, of course, on canva.com, all we're going to do is search for newspaper. And now you can choose any one of these templates here. If it's got a crown on it, you need to be a pro. And when you find one that you like, click on it and just hit customize this template. And the rest here is fully up to you. Click on any section here and you can edit it. For instance, this picture can be replaced. The text over here can be replaced with something else. Let's replace birthday with a proper word, which would be plumbus. We can replace this picture. So if I click on it and then click on edit on the top left here, then I can click on my uploads on the left. And let's say I want to replace it with this stock image. From here, sky's the limit for whatever you want to do. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.